Damn. Already, fucking video start off bitch driving through the fucking store.
Hello?
What the hell is that, beauty supply store?
Did you just drive over the train tracks?
No, we've been sitting right here. Y'all just pulled past us and rode past.
Yeah, I mean, we got a description
And
for
that
a
rain
white
look like
SUV
snow.
that drove over the train tracks, and you have a flat tire.
Yeah, we got a flat tire now because we just tried to pull over, but that was not us.
Hold up. Well, that don't even make
Whereabouts are you
sense.
coming from?
Yeah, we got a flat tire, but that's why we was trying to pull over. All right,
Whereabouts are you coming from?
why all of a sudden you trying to pull over when the cop was behind you?
Hey, babe, I gotta pee, and we were trying to pull over, and we got pulled over.
We're going to be out with that possible vehicle, Washington, in a second. I have a plate for you when you're ready. Just be advised, it does have a flat.
They're trying to say we sped off at the train tracks.
Ma'am, it's kind of like a yes or no.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of a yes or no. Did you drive over the train? Did you drive on the train?
No, I didn't drive over the train tracks, but I did slow down and put my brakes on so we could park right here to go in to pee.
No, I
Go in
get
where
you
to
there,
pee?
but-
It look late as shit
I
outside.
did not.
Let me finish. Why are you getting so
What the fuck
aggressive?
kind of building is
I
that?
am, and you're sitting up here asking me the same question
Well-
over and over, and
You're not answering me.
I'm intimidated.
You're intimidated.
She was about to say I'm
I mean,
intoxicated.
drove
That's what it
across
seemed
the
like.
I already answered the question.
Seemed
I
like
sat
she a
up here
little
and I pulled
tipsy.
over.
Okay, well you got a flat
I ain't
tire.
gonna
and you
lie.
also-
We had a flat
Hold on.
tire
You
before you
keep
pulled
cutting me
over the
off.
train tracks.
And you also have all this grass.
So
on
you
the
just
front end
said
of your
before
car.
you came over the train tracks. So he asked you, did you cross over the train
Let
tracks?
me rephrase.
And you said
Let
no.
me rephrase this question.
But then you said you had a
Were you
flat
at
tire
Fulton Center
before
in
you
front of
crossed
Little
over the
Bros,
train
that
tracks.
little
No.
burger place you went
No.
there?
Fourth and Center?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. How'd you get the flat?
We got the flat before we even crossed the train tracks.
Hey, man,
So
when you
she
get
just
the
said
flat-
it again.
Probably.
My man back there laughing. Yo, he look. He's like,
Listen, man,
oh boy.
I want you guys.
Yo, we
to get
going to
home
jail.
safe. I'm just trying to figure this out, man. We got a BOL for
The hell is a
white SUV
BOL?
with, that drove on the train
Oh.
tracks, man. So when
I know
when
what
you guys
that
get the
means.
flat,
Be on the lookout.
Where are you guys coming from, then?
Yeah, I know your police lingo.
Here.
These motherfuckers
Where's
be
here?
trying to slang their own
Park
lingo.
here.
Yeah, where are you coming from?
You want to answer that? Because I don't have time to have this.
Hey, Plitz, are you good for a sec?
Yeah.
Front driver.
Hey yo,
side
y'all gotta
flat.
get this
She
though.
said
These
that
little
they
foggers,
didn't
man. If y'all
drive on the
smoke
train
vapes,
track.
man,
They
I
said
don't
they
know if you
noticed it
can
was
see.
popped, so they just pulled over here.
You know what I mean? Little fogger. Oh shit, is upside
Yeah, just
down.
roll down.
You know what I mean?
Appreciate you.
This one's pretty good.
Were you trying to show me something?
White gummy bears.
Oh, bro, I didn't know. I'm like literally ordering.
Yeah, that shit pretty good, man. I gotta try this.
You can be straight with us, bro.
Oh yeah, your boy.
Right here.
A guy in passenger seat says he doesn't remember when she said she never once drove on a train track.
Any indication of alcohol?
I don't know. She's really not talking to me. She's just on the phone with one of her friends. She's like ignoring all my questions, but she just keeps denying driving on the train track.
Right, she denied driving on the train track, but you just said
Right now?
twice that you did.
That's why
Without
I'm trying
saying
to get
it.
in here, and y'all sitting up here pulling
What
us
you did?
over like we did something wrong, and that's why it's making us look like
Well, again,
You gotta think.
we don't
They
know.
pulling y'all over because
So,
first of all, they're
well,
trying to check
well,
on
hang on,
y'all
let me just
because you
explain
got a
something real
flat
quick. So I
tire.
don't know
You
if
probably had your
were a
hazards on or
person
not.
before,
I
but he
don't
said
know.
that we
But it's
stopped
late
you
as
for a
hell
BOL. We
outside.
had a BOL, which means to be on the lookout.
See,
for a
I told
white
you,
SUV
be on the
that
lookout.
drove over the train tracks.
Hell yeah. Man, I took my AirPods out, so I was like,
Hey,
what's going on?
no, you're good, bro.
Do you
But
guys know why you have like branches?
was it
underneath your car
illegally?
then, too?
Like you can't cross over the train
All
tracks?
riding through the same area.
I mean, I don't know because I don't. We
There's
don't got
nothing but
train
trees
tracks
and
over here that
sticks
we
over
cross
there.
over.
I mean, there's trees everywhere.
Like
Do you know where I live?
Why would I know where you
she
live?
said, "Do I know? Do you
so
know
if
I
you knew
live?"
where I live, you know where there's trees and sticks and branches under my car. They're trying to arrest us and pull us over for a bunch of bullshit.
Look like it sound like your ass is
Did I ever
drunk
say that you were
and
under
you
arrest?
floored it over them train tracks,
Hey,
popped your
that's what you had
motherfucking
alcohol,
tie.
right?
Miss, have you had any alcohol today?
No, but I'm
You got
sitting
all
up here on
them
the phone
sticks
with my
and
boyfriend right now.
branches up your
with this
car.
drink right here, is this alcohol? What is this?
Where? Water?
No, in the other one right there.
A sweet tea?
Okay, let me see that can real quick. Not that one.
That's not a can, young lady.
Can we get out and go to the bathroom?
Not right now.
Hello?
She trying to make a run for it.
That can that's under your purse. What is that?
He said give me my ticket so we can go on about our business.
Who the
What's
fuck
that?
is he? Who is
Right
she
now we're trying
talking
to figure
to?
out what's going on.
They
You
are
guys
the
aren't telling
police.
us.
You can't tell them when the fuck they can go and when they can do and do
Right now, we're
what.
just investigating
Shorty, they
right now,
can
okay? We're
pull your
checking
dumb
camera
ass
footage
out
to see
the
if you guys
car
ran over the
and search your
tracks
shit.
or not. That's what we're doing right now. We got someone checking,
so
okay?
he's saying
They
because
got
y'all
probable
do not have
cause.
no probable cause, y'all don't have a warrant,
You
we
do.
can't get our ticket.
That don't mean you gotta have a
You have
warrant.
damage to the front driver's side, right?
We don't have damage to the front.
So right now, we're just... Yes, you
we
do.
don't have damage to the front driver's side. Look out, because we have cameras
Okay.
just like y'all have cameras. We don't have front damage.
Where your
to the front-
cameras at?
The front bag.
Hey,
Oh,
Clint,
she's slurring
I'll
her
be right back.
words.
Anything?
Talking about Bay. Who
She told me
the
she
Bay
was
don't
on
know
tour,
his. Yo,
and she
he
said
ain't
she had no
police.
alcohol to drink
He can't
tonight.
tell
There's a
them,
Long
man.
Island
Tell
in the
them,
center
look, I
council, but she
understand.
said
You better get her ass
she's not
locked up,
answering
bruh.
questions about that.
Whoever the fuck on the phone
Hey, miss,
need to
my
stop.
sergeant's right there. Can you talk to my sergeant?
Ma'am, I need you to open your window. I see alcohol in the center console. I need to identify you.
And it's alcohol. They see it.
That's my sergeant. Can you talk to my sergeant?
I see an open can of alcohol in your center console. So
Water?
okay, with all I know is I see that. So no.
She keep
There
pulling the
was
same shit.
Sweet tea?
There's a cut water. There's a cut water.
That's not mine.
Okay, it's in.
So you don't grab all three different drinks, and then when he said cut water, that ain't mine.
Okay, that's fine.
So you passed everything but that. Look at her, she trying to hide it. She trying to hide the cut water, y'all. She done took the fuck off, yo. You knew this was coming. You knew this was coming. How you gonna get away with a flat, shorty? Shorty! Damn, and it's raining and you got a flat. You causing, you trying to cause a whole accident. And she running from a misdemeanor. Just a little bullshit ass ticket she could have got. She just could have just been truthful. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all little. She could have been truthful and just been like, man. Had the passenger take the cut water scene. Said, okay, yeah, I made that turn on the train tracks by accident. I went the wrong way.
Westbound Farnham.
I got a flat. You know what I mean? They ain't gonna be able to run her license, run her tags, and give her a ticket. They might tell her not to drive that some bitch, but nigga, you got a flat tire. You can get it towed anyway. You ever heard of AAA? Fuck.
Passenger door is open.
Then the man, yo, is he trying to jump out? Bro, scared for his life. He's like, hey, stop this car. I'ma jump the fuck out. Hey, yo, unless he threw the cut water out the door. What the fuck? Put his toes out the window. You trying to dive out.
Vehicle almost ran through a whole leaf pile.
While she driving like a maniac. I see why she got all types of leaves and sticks. She hitting all types of piles of leaves. I'm trying to figure out why there are piles of leaves in the middle of the street though. Motherfuckers just rake their yard and put it in the middle of the street.
She cut through a cider right now.
That's crazy. Where the fuck are they at?
She's crashed into Ulta.
Ultra Beauty. Oh, that's where the fuck she ran into an Ultra Beauty store. She fucked up. That expensive ass beauty supply store shit. God, she fucked that joint up. Don't shoot, right? Don't shoot the. Oh, what is she doing? Get out, bro! Get the fuck out the car! Oh man, that's a temp right there. You could have you could have harmed the police earlier. They could have shot your ass. What is you doing? Damn! Now she ain't hit the police cruiser. That's another assault. Is she trying to run her mans over, her friend? She probably like, bitch, you hopped out, you left me. Bro, she can't drive with her shit. What the fuck is she doing? God. She right. They just, and then she hits the wall. What the fuck? Is she trying to whip out of there? Shorty, you about to get shot. Oh my God. She causing so much damage to that beauty supply store. Oh my god. Oh, yo, she would have probably paid, like, I'm just saying, I'm gonna give her the most of like $1,000, like the ticket and get her car out impound, whatever. I'm just stating high right now, but now that look like about $50,000-$100,000 worth of damage, maybe more.
Heads up, little, heads up.
Sir, do you want us to move?
Oh. They blocked the other side of the door. Man, she plowing through walls. Hawk smash. I'm the juggernaut, bitch. She just going through shit.
Inside the store?
Yes.
I'm surprised the car's still moving. Yo, my man. My man is scared shitless back there, boy. You better run your ass outside. Your own homie trying to take you out. Walk, nigga, run your ass over here before you get ran the fuck over. She's crazy. She is intoxicated. She's gotta be. Oh, she gotta have something in that car. She doing all that. Who the fuck wasn't in her right mind? Unless whoever was on the phone was like, bitch, run. Just go. Floor that shit. He influenced that bitch.
Mine.
He ain't got that motherfucker. He ain't got her ass in trouble. Her ass is going to jail.
Keep coming. Come outside now.
He good. He good. He obeying and he don't know what the fuck going on. I don't think he gonna get charged for anything, but you never know. I mean, he at least showed on the police cam he was trying to jump out the car. He could have been like, that's gonna help him. He was like, man, she got the geeking. She drove off. I'm like, bitch, stop. You know what I mean? You ain't see me open the door. I was ready to jump out. You know what I'm saying? They yanked that nigga up though. Get your ass down. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. She's not right.
Hold up. I'm going over here.
She not right.
I got the door.
She ain't even moving. That car probably stopped moving. He told me I had to do nothing. Who told you? You get out the car talking about, he told me not to do nothing.
Show me when the tires are here. Yep. I don't even drink, so I'm cool. I'm cool with that, officer. I don't got no argue with that at all.
Radio from 7, we got passenger in custody. We're detaining.
Alright, see, she couldn't even blame that on. He's like, I don't even drink. He hurried up and took no cuts to that.
Enough.
In the back of the car. Is this the same officer I just had? Yes, bro. Alright, I'm cool, bro. In the back of the car.
Right, you better tell him that the passenger, cause man, what if I'm riding with my folks and you
Just stop. Okay, just stop.
man, you doing up in the car.
No,
Sheesh.
both are in custody.
I'd have been
You got
pissed.
passenger, right? He's back
Like,
here.
how the
Perfect.
fuck?
Is everyone at Ultra secure right now?
A-firm radio, we're secure.
Oh my god, man. She fucked that store up. Holy shit, half the store is demolished. Ooh. I know the employees that work there happy as shit. They about to get fucking paid time off. Hopefully,
The male suspect,
you know what
De
I'm
Niro,
saying?
was issued
They
a
ain't gotta
citation
go to
for
work
potent
and
intoxicants in a motor
catch a
vehicle
check.
and is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The female suspect, Katrina, was found to have a blood alcohol concentration
How does he get
of
charged with
0.21
open
over
intoxicated
double the legal
motherfucker?
limit.
He
She
ain't
was
drink.
charged with her second offense of OWI, felony
Damn,
malicious destruction
that's
of
double.
property, felony malicious destruction of property under $20,000, felony malicious destruction of a building over $20,000, 2 counts of felony
What
assault,
is OWI?
felony assault on a
Hold up.
police officer, and felony third-degree fleeing eluding. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to to all charges in exchange for a sentence of 1 year in jail and 3 years of probation.
Damn.
She will be released back into the public in March of 2027.
20,000,
Katrina was ordered to pay
258,000. 1 year in jail.
$63 in restitution.
That's it.
$233,160
Damn.
to Ulta Beauty, and another $25,399
Damn.
to the city of Royal Oak, Michigan. This debt could potentially follow her. For
Oh my God!
Doesn't
She
necessarily
owed like $700,000.
Generally can't just be wiped away through bankruptcy. And to think she could be almost $250,000 less in debt if she simply complied during that traffic stop. So ask yourself honestly, whatever you're trying to avoid in that moment, is it actually worth what you could be creating for yourself for the rest of your
God damn. Yo, she gonna bankrupt the fuck out of everything. God damn, bruh. That's insane, bruh. See, man, sometimes it's just better just to say, fuck it. You got caught. You shouldn't have been out late night drinking and driving, trying to think you having a good fucking time, and then you fuck up and get pulled over by police. Man, just take your L. Take your L. Sometimes it's better that way. You'd have never got a year in jail and 3 months, whatever the fuck, and $700,000. 700,000. That you're gonna be in debt for the rest of your life. Motherfuckers barely make that. Period. God damn. But yeah, y'all, hey, thanks you two for coming to watch all this reaction shit with me, man. Cause man, I've been trying to put this out here for us. You know what I mean? For y'all, man. These reactions I do, man, they be crazy. They be insane to these videos, man. Like, I just can't imagine. I can't imagine what be going through these people's mind. But hey, man, thanks again for coming to see Big Migo, man. But until next time, peace.